Está bien, pero she gotta take the thing off. She gotta take this off. No ropa.
Que
Todo
te
bien
lo
en la...
quite, sí, me lo quite.
Sí. Es normal para ti. Sí. Para ella. What's up, ladies and germs? We're back, man. You know the usual. I bring you guys when nobody else brings you the real sights and songs of DR. Now, the slow travel journey continues. So, right now, we're going to bring you the tiny town of Boca Chica, the Boca Chica experience. Now, Boca Chica is actually still in Santo Domingo, but it's the closest and only real beach, right? So, we're going to do a lot of interaction today, man. I like to call Boca Chica the Sosua of Santo Domingo, a little Sosua, right? I call it the little Sosua. So we're gonna be doing a lot of interaction. Now the first interaction, unfortunately, YouTube gonna give me a copyright. So I'm gonna have to explain it to you guys, and then we're gonna talk to some women, man. Rich's Method, back at it again. Don't forget, subscribe, click the bell notification, hit notify all. Make sure you drop your comments. Make sure you hit that like button right now before we get started. Absolutely go ahead and share the videos on your Facebook and your Instagram. For my travelers, I highly recommend that you get the ebook and audiobooks on travel, safety, and dating. And for those who want to live abroad, get the cheat sheet to financial freedom and the good life, how to live or slow travel abroad. Available for instant download at payhip.com/richesmethod. All the links are also in the description below. So let's go. All right, man. So for you fellas who've never been to the DR, man, you cannot go to a Colmado without it playing and blasting a bunch of music, especially on the weekend. Anyway, I'm sitting there chilling at the Colmado, watching the lady at the bus stop across the way, which is really, I think, a park, sucking on a lollipop. Nah, she wasn't, but she ain't waiting for a bus. So this other little thing walked in. This one you're gonna see in a little moment right here. Looking all right, you know, dressed with a nice little green top and everything. She gonna ask for drinks. I offer her my Ecave. It's rum, right? She gonna be like, nah, rum is too strong for her. She want me to buy her a little beer. Now listen, fellas, these girls start testing you out here real quick. The first thing they'll do is, hey, can you buy me a beer? They're trying to gauge what you're trying to do, right? No, the other thing is you buy them a beer, they attach themselves to you. Needless to say, I sent her back outside with her coffee for her to have a smoke because she didn't want to take my rum. She messaged her friend who show up. Those who know already know these girls use all the same playbook. So of course, friend asks the exact same thing. And just like the other one, they both got 500 peso in their hand, right? And I'm telling this one like, yo, it's all right. You rich, you work. You could buy yourself your little Presidente normal. After she also didn't want to take the rum, right? She also bought a coffee. So everybody here doing it like the Cubans, you know, they got the little coffee shots. And she got her Presidente, and yep, she was on her way to join her girlfriend outside. There she goes. Now, I gotta say, man, this one loves to dance, right? And she was a lot more aggressive than her girlfriend. Her girlfriend kind of had a little bit more, I'm trying to be classy. This one, you know, she was a little loud, she a little energetic, boisterous. Even the Colmado patron, the old man over there, he was like, what the heck, you know what I mean? He's like, doing this nose thing that Dominicans do. You know, you guys who never been down here, you already know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, enjoyable time. So really, this is exactly how my day started. You know what I mean? So of course, I did a little bit of exploration in the city area just before coming over here and deciding, all right, let me chill. Let me get into the festivities, see what's going on. Now, we are about a month away from Christmas. As you can see, Shorty got the reindeers going, doing her thing, man. So, like I said, my little Sosua. No, it ain't even 1 o'clock yet, man. Listen, y'all might say, yo, Richards, but why would you pass that up? And I'm going to say, bro, you're in paradise, man. You won't even really see what it's offering out there yet. You want to keep your options open. And this is what I'm talking about right here. Options. Oh, a most interesting thing happened when I was in that Colmado, man. This guy that looked like he was a foreigner walked in, light-skinned dude. He go to order some water. I'm listening to the way he's saying it. Even the Colmado dude didn't really understand him. And the actual water he was trying to order was right next to his arm, right? But he's pointing way back, trying to get the dude to understand. So then I'm thinking this dude was American because how he's saying agua, water, right? So I turned to him and I was talking about the girl in the green, and he was like, I was like, yo, she alright, right? And he's like, nah, you should see the ones that I got on the beach. Now, what was interesting is as he's talking, I hear a little bit of accent. And then he says, bro, I'm gonna use this YouTube correct word. He said, yo, I don't pay beaches. Beaches pay me. As we're at the beach right now. And she's an absolute stallion. And guess what? I got more coming up. And I was like, yo, that's some halfway pimp, you understand? But over here is where we know as Sankey Panky, right? So I halfway get what he's saying. You guys know the way I roll. I found that funny as hell. But that's the life, man, in Little Sosua. Anyway, let's get to the interaction section. Check out the pier. Man, I'll tell you this. So far, that one girl was fire. Gotta give Boca Chica some credit for this part. I didn't see this the first time I came out here. Cause I didn't come over to this side. Just went on a date on the other side, right? So I guess the more, what would that be? East you go, the nicer the beach is. And the more like touristy it is. I got a feeling the more left you go towards that direction, that's a little bit more local. We gonna head over there. We got some time. A nice little boat right here. Just come over here if you wanna go snorkeling or excursion or driving. Boating, something like that. Put you in bad at that. For a little. It's okay if I just look around, right? All right. I mean, pretty much if you are here, working with tourists, you speak English. That's for sure. Oh, this is nice. Absolutely nice. I gotta say, your job. ¿Tú hablas inglés?
No, español.
Tú trabajando es, ¿cómo se dice? Your view, todo el día, magnífico.
¿Te gusta tomar la vista?
Tú trabajando acá.
Pero a veces no se cansa.
Es normal para ti.
Es
Listo.
lindo, pero es lindo, claro que sí.
Para ti, cansada, para tú ver. Okay. Todo el día.
Sí, sí.
Pero es todo bien.
Pero siempre se disfruta de la vista.
Pasa buen día, eh? Cool. She got like one of the jobs with the best view, man. And it's just normal for her. How we get accustomed and used to things in life. So, where everybody be like, man, that would be the life. Imagine working like these guys right here. You know, catching some scallops right here off the bottom of the boat. And they're just gonna go sell it. It's crazy. Look at that. Just scraping it off the side of the boat. That's what's up. Off the bottom. Ain't gonna go sell to some tourists over here for extra high prices. Tell them it's aphrodisiac. Hey, if you eat this, it's gonna make everything work better. Natural Viagra. I think this is the exit. I'm not sure. Look at that ahead of me, man. I'm gonna get that. I hope I do. Shame she got the little thing over it. I wanted it was regular. Woo. Looking like a stallion. Damn slippers. Ah. Water. Mira, está bien, pero she gotta take the thing off. She gotta take this off. No ropa.
Ah,
Todo
que te
bien
lo
en la-
quite, sí, me lo quite.
Sí, sí. ¿Qué es? Me lo quite. That's how you say that? Todo criollo. Ah, haitiana. A little bit of English? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you guys. Tu vives acá? You live here? You live here, Boca Chica? Or Santo Domingo? Santo Domingo? You live in Santo Domingo? Y'all family? Friends. You speak a lot of English. It's not a little bit of English. Yeah, a lot of English, man. Listen, take my WhatsApp. Mi WhatsApp.
Ah, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yo vivo en Santo Domingo. ¿Tu nombre?
Wendy.
Wendy.
Mucho gusto, Frank.
But I live in the United States. I like that.
Tell me.
You put it in. All right, so 1. Escríbeme en WhatsApp,
Okay.
Escríbeme tu nombre. Tu nombre.
Where do you
Ah,
live?
ok,
I
gracias.
live in Santo Domingo City.
Okay.
The city.
Me too.
I just came over here and leave tomorrow morning.
Okay.
All right? So I live in Santo Domingo Este.
Santo
Okay.
Domingo, ok.
All right? Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet
You
you.
got a nice body. Bueno cuerpo.
Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta take the little top thing off for the body. There you go. Todo bien. No es perfecto.
Ah, ok.
No boy. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. Yeah. You just gotta talk normal.